free motion quilting, I use the Bernina stitch regulator. There are a couple options with this. I use mode 2. When I stop moving the fabric, the stitch regulator actually stops sewing. I start trying to get into kind of a smooth motion. Sometimes it helps if you play music and kind of go with the beat, but it's really just about taking it easy, getting into the zone, and if you feel yourself starting to tense up, don't be afraid to stop. Don't go too fast. Your stitches will be uneven if you go too fast and then too slow. That's actually the nice thing about the stitch regulator, is it tries to keep those stitches even, and I find that it really does on my quilts. You can see better here in the darker fabric, the stitches. And again, if you need to take a break and stop, that's perfectly fine. If you're getting a little tense, shake it out and then keep on moving. I really like free motion quilting because, as you can see, this is a 12 by 12 inch block I was going to make into a small pillow. And in the 2 minutes that I made this video, I basically quilted half of it. So it's a really fun, easy way to quilt. It's pretty quick, and I really like how the quilts crinkle up with this technique of quilting.